Hey everybody, today I'm gonna do the 3 a.m. challenge. As you can see on my alarm clock, it is currently 3 a.m. And, sorry, it's late. And, I'm gonna do the fidget spinner 3 a.m. challenge. Better get some good fucking views. Alright, so the camera's all set up, and I'm about to spin this fucking fidget spinner. Let's see what happens. Oh my god! What the fuck? Yo, this is really like not cool. The camera. Oh shit. The spinner's still spinning though. I'm kind of like feeling not too cool because of like how the camera just suddenly like dropped. I don't know if I want to continue this. I'm kind of scared right now. Fuck. So. Nah, man. Let's do more stuff at 3 a.m. Okay? Still spinning though. Okay, so a lot of people are doing these like one-man hide and seek type shit at 3 a.m. So I'm guessing I'm gonna do one of these. Like one man hide and seek, 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 one man hide and seek. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I don't really have anything like I can play. Like I don't have anything with what I could play a one man hide and seek with. So I'm just gonna do it with this fidget spinner right here, which was still spinning. This is I think this is a good one. If it's like spins for a long time, it's gotta be a good one. So let's do one man hide and seek with a fidget spinner. Kill. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen right now. Pardon the dishes. And I'm gonna hide the spinner somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere, and I'm gonna hide somewhere so that it doesn't know. So the spinner will have to find me. Okay, so I got a flashlight so you guys can see, because you know I care about you guys. I'm gonna put it somewhere over here, yeah. Like under the thing here. Right here. Lights out. I'm gonna hide under the kitchen table. I really hope it doesn't find me. It's been a while, Jesus. Alright, fuck this. I'm too scared. It's too dark out here. Let's go till the spinner got it. So if I remember well, the spinner should be here. What the fuck? It's not here. What? Guys, the spinner is not here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, spinner. It's alright. You don't have to do this. Ha! Ow! Please. Please don't. I'm never doing that shit again. Fuck that.